Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito without using Sprite. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 2 ounces of good quality white rum. Don't forget plenty of ice and, of course, chilled club soda to finish it off. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito's fresh flavor. Take your 10 mint leaves and place them in a sturdy glass. Add 2 lime wedges and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Using a muddler, gently press and twist these ingredients together. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred the leaves. This creates a vibrant base for your drink. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it's time to add the spirit. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your chosen white rum directly into the glass. Next, fill the glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito will be perfectly chilled and refreshing. Give everything a good stir for about 15 to 20 seconds, making sure all the flavors are thoroughly combined and the sugar dissolves. For the grand finale, we'll add the fizz. Slowly top your drink with about 4 ounces of very cold club soda. This provides the classic effervescence without the sweetness of Sprite. Give it one final, gentle stir to incorporate the soda without losing too much of its bubbles. Garnish your beautiful mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin slice of lime. Now, it's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.